নমস্কাৰ মৰমৰ শিক্ষাৰ্থীসকল মই প্ৰণৱ ইউটিউব চেনেল ফৰ এডুকেশ্যনৰ অন্য এটা ভিডিঅ'লৈ তোমালোক সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ মৰমৰ শিক্ষাৰ্থীসকল আজি মই লৈ আহিছোঁ তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে হায়াৰ সেকেন্ডাৰী ফাৰ্ষ্ট ইয়াৰৰ তামুলপুৰ বাক্সা ডিস্ট্ৰিক্টত অনুষ্ঠিত হোৱা ফাৰ্ষ্ট ইউনিট টেষ্ট 2025 ৰ এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ আৰু হৰ্টিকালচাৰ এই সাবজেক্টটোৰ যিখন কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ আছিল সেই কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰখনৰ সমাধান তেতিয়াহ'লে আহাচোন পলম নকৰি আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ আৰু তাৰ আগতে তোমালোকলৈ এটা অনুৰোধ মোৰ চেনেলটো যদি সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই তেতিয়াহ'লে সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিবা আৰু কাষতে থকা বেল আইকনটো প্ৰেছ কৰি দিবা মই দিয়া এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ শিক্ষামূলক ভিডিঅ'সমূহ বা বিভিন্ন প্ৰশ্নৰ উত্তৰসমূহ নিয়মিতভাৱে পাই থাকিবলৈ কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 1 ফিল ইন দা ব্ল্যাঙ্কস খালি ঠাই পূৰণ কৰা প্ৰত্যেকটো কুৱেশ্যনৰ কাৰণে 1 নম্বৰকৈ নিৰ্ধাৰণ কৰা হৈছে কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ এ প্লান্টস গ্ৰোন ইনসাইড এ হাউস আৰ নোন এজ ঘৰৰ ভিতৰত গজা উদ্ভিদক ডেছ নামেৰে জনা যায় এনসাৰটো হ'ব ইনডোৰ গাৰ্ডেনিং কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ বি টেম্পোৰাৰী নাৰ্সাৰী ইজ অলসো নোন এজ অস্থায়ী নাৰ্সাৰীক ডেছ বুলিও কোৱা হয় উত্তৰটো হ'ব নাৰ্সাৰী অন সাইট কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ সি পাৰ্মানেন্ট নাৰ্সাৰী মে অলসো বি কল্ড এ ডেছ নাৰ্সাৰী স্থায়ী নাৰ্সাৰীক ডেছ নাৰ্সাৰী বুলিও কোৱা হয় এনসাৰটো হ'ব কমাৰ্শিয়েল নাৰ্সাৰী কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ ডি আইডিয়েল সয়েল টাইপস এজ গ্ৰোইং মিডিয়া আৰ ডেছ এণ্ড ডেছ বৃদ্ধিৰ মাধ্যম যিদৰে আদৰ্শ পালৰ প্ৰকাৰ ডেছ আৰু ডেছ এনসাৰটো হ'ব সয়েল বৰ্ন এণ্ড সিড বৰ্ন কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 2a হোৱাট ইজ গ্ৰোইং মিডিয়া বৃদ্ধিৰ মাধ্যম কি এনসাৰটো হ'ব দা material in which plants grow in a pot is known as potting material and it is commonly called growing media. Question number B. What is soil salarisation? Pal dormoha ki? Answer to go in this method temperature of the soil or medium is raised so high 47 degree Celsius and above that infant or incubated pets get controlled or destroyed. It is a physical method that utilizes the energy of the sun to increase the temperature. It is generally followed in tropical and subtropical India where the sun is too hot during summers. Question number C. Do you think nurseries are important? Nurseryবোৰ গুৰুত্ব বুলি তুমি ভাবানে? Answer to হ'ব yes. Nurseries are important because wastage of small and expensive hybrid seeds is reduced considerably due to better care and management and also nurseries offer great opportunities of employment to semi-skilled, skilled and unskilled human resources. Question number D. What is indoor gardening? ঘৰৰ ভিতৰৰ বাগিচা কি? Growing plants inside a house is known as indoor gardening. It not only makes the appearance of indoors beautiful, pleasant and attractive but also improves the air quality and adds freshness to an area. Question number E. What is floriculture? Fuller kheti ki? Floriculture is one of the most potential components of the horticulture industry, being important from aesthetic, social and economic points of view. Question number 3. Write short answer. প্ৰত্যেকটোৰ কাৰণে 2 নম্বৰকৈ নিৰ্ধাৰণ কৰা হৈছে What are the different method of seed sowing? বীজ কটাৰী বা বীজ ছিটোৱাৰ বিভিন্ন পদ্ধতি কি কি Following are the different methods of seed sowing. A. Broadcasting. After the preparation of a nursery, spread the seeds on nursery beds and cover them with finely shaped rotten FYM or compost. This method has some disadvantages. as seeds cannot be placed at equal distance. This might require a longer number of seeds in comparison to other methods of seed sowing. B. Line sowing. It is the best method of sowing seeds in a nursery. Sowing in lines improves germination and quality of seedlings. In this method, each seed gets independent space and hence grows healthy and vigorously. In this method, the diseased seedlings and seeds can be managed easily. Seed sowing in plug trays. High volume and hybrid seeds are preferred to be sown in plug trays instead of open filled nurseries bed. Pro trays are made of soft plastic having shallow plugs. These plugs are filled with planting media. D. Potting. It refers to the transforming of plants from seed bed or polythene bags to pots containing potting mixture. E. Repotting. It is transferring or transplanting a plant from one pot to another. It is the planting of a depotted plant into another pot. F. Plant handling. Nursery plants need care and maintenance when raised from rootstock or by tissue culture technique. It is important to provide nursery plant with suitable conditions to ensure their growth and development. Question number B. What are the different kinds of nurseries? Bibhinno dhoroner nursery ki? Following are the different kinds of nursery. A. Permanent nursery. These nurseries are established with a view to supply planting material continuously wherever required. As the name indicates, it consists of a permanent infrastructure with availability of all required inputs. Permanent nursery may also be called commercial nursery, where quality planting material is produced for sale. B. Vegetable nursery. In this nursery, planting materials like seedlings of all vegetables, rooted cuttings, seedlings raised from rhizomes and tubers, bulb for seed purposes are raised and conserved. C. Fruit plant nursery. In this nursery, seedlings and cuttings of rootstocks, budded plants, grafts, layers and cuttings of fruit trees are raised and conserved for further use. This nursery has mother block of different fruit crops used as sowing material. D. Forest nursery. Different species of trees and climbers planted in forest and used in social forestry are mostly propagated by seeds. Seedlings of big trees like Maragosa, Gulmohar, Amalthus, Kansan, Tamarind, Anula, Prosopis, Eucalyptus, etc. are commonly found in a forest nursery. Question number C. Why are plant growth regulator used? উদ্ভিদৰ বৃদ্ধি নিয়ন্ত্ৰক কিয় ব্যৱহাৰ কৰে? উত্তৰটো হ'ব plants growth regulator PGRs are applied in agriculture and horticulture to manage plant development and improve crop quality and yield by influencing various stages from seed germination to fruit maturity. Common applications include promoting rooting in cuttings, controlling plant height and branching, preventing premature fruit drops, accelerating maturity and enhancing stress resistance. They are also used in tissue culture to stimulate cell division and in hybrid seed production.